English common verbs. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today's lesson is about common verbs, simple actions you use every day. Run, walk, sit, stand, open, close, start, stop, and more. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me. Practice step by step and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story. Leo's busy morning. It's 7 a.m. and Leo wakes up full of energy. He looks outside and says, "It's a beautiful day. Time to move." He puts on his shoes and begins to run fast around the small park near his house. After 10 minutes, he gets tired. He slows down and begins to walk slowly, enjoying the morning breeze. On the sidewalk, he sees two kids playing. They can jump high, almost touching the tree branches. Leo laughs and says, "Wow, they jump higher than me." He reaches a bench and decides to rest. He tells himself, "Okay, Leo, sit down for a moment." After resting, he says, "All right, let's go," and stands up quickly. Time to stand up and continue. When he gets home, Leo finds the door stuck. He pushes hard and says, "Come on, open the door." Inside the house, the wind blows strongly. His papers fly everywhere. Leo rushes to the window to close the window before everything falls. Now it's time to start work. He opens his laptop and says, "Let's start now, no more delays." Just then, his little sister enters the room, talking loudly about her new toy. Leo smiles and says, "Please stop talking for a minute. I need to focus." Finally, he remembers he has to move the table. He holds it tightly and tries to move quickly before the meeting begins. Leo sits down and sighs, "What a morning, but I'm ready." Now it's time for the Q&A mini-story, Leo's busy morning. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. Leo wakes up at 7 a.m. What time does Leo wake up? 7 a.m. How does he feel? Full of energy. Is he tired? Number Leo runs in the morning. How does he run? Fast. Where does he run? Around the small park. Does he run slowly? No, he gets tired. What does he do next? Walk slowly. Does he walk quickly? Number. Why does he walk slowly? Because he is tired. He sees kids. What can the kids do? Jump high. Do they jump low? Number. Are they touching branches? Almost. Leo rests. What does he do on the bench? Sit down. Does he stand? Number. Why does he sit? To rest. After resting. What does Leo do? Stand up. Does he stand slowly? No, quickly. Is he ready to continue? Yes. At home, he finds something stuck. What is stuck? The door. What does he try to do? Open the door. Does he open a window? No. The wind blows inside. What does Leo close? The window. Why does he close it? Because papers are flying. Is he closing the door? Number Leo starts work. What does he say? Start now. What does he open? His laptop. Does he delay? Number. His sister talks loudly. What does Leo ask her to do? Stop talking. Does he shout at her? Number. Does he need to focus? Yes. Leo moves the table. How does he move it? Quickly. Why quickly? Because the meeting will begin. Does he move slowly? Number. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about common verbs 1. Today, you practiced phrases like run fast, walk slowly, jump high, sit down, stand up, open the door, close the window, start now, stop talking, and move quickly. Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow. Subscribe to FluentEase English and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.